Friends, you would have come across many charts where people have 3, 4, sometimes even 5 planets being placed in one zodiac sign, in one house. Now, what does it tell about? See guys, there is always a pros and cons of any placement. Now, obviously, if you have 3, 4 planets being placed in one house, that will accentuate the qualities of that house, that zodiac sign. Now, advantage of this placement is that you might have specialized talent in that area. The whole life will govern and revolve around that area, and you are going to be very fortunate if, for example, you have 4 planets in the Aquarius and the Saturn dasha comes. Then that means you will get maximum opportunity to make use of those talents and those expertise of yours. And when we talk about the drawback of this placement, so guys, the drawback is that life tend to remain less balanced. That is the only reason why the yogas like Kalsarp yoga is not appreciated, because if all the planets are going to be concentrated in one axis of the chart, life tend to remain very accentuated in one area, and one area of the life tend to experience lack. Like we say that some people who do very good in their professional life, but their health and their family life suffers. So this could be that placement. So guys, in a nutshell, summary is that if you have 3 planets in one zodiac sign, that gives a specialized talent in one area, one specific field of the life. If you have 4 planets in one zodiac sign, that tells about fated events in the life, like over exaggerated emphasis in one specific area of the life. And if you have 5 planets in one zodiac sign, that generally tells about karmic events which will trigger, which will happen in your life.